Hi, this is Mark Malberg of Verified Technologies, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the menu system for BrakeView, as well as getting things plugged in and ready to make measurements. So when you first power up your BrakeView system, you'll see the brake rotor visualization. This is a three-dimensional picture of a brake rotor. If it's measured data, you'll actually see your distortions, but when the system powers up, it's an empty brake rotor. If you push the lower right-hand button, the menu button, you'll be presented with a series of icons. And as you see here, the arrow keys will move the selection around, and the enter button will accept that selection. Off to the right-hand side is a blue arrow. That blue arrow is the page button, so if you select that, you can page through the menu structure. It's a very simple approach. Hopefully that works well for you. Now that we've seen a little bit of software, it would be much more fun if we had some hardware to play with. So let's get some things plugged in. You'll notice the top panel of the BrakeView console contains all of our connections. On the far right we have our power adapter, and then we have two connectors for the actual measuring probes, the LVDTs. The yellow probe is our outboard probe. We've kind of taken that color scheme to make life a little bit easier. Think of yellow as the color on the outboard. The outboard part of the rotor is the one most likely to have the sun shine on it, thus the yellow. The inboard probe is blue, and both of those snap into place on the top of the console. Our next connection is our photo sensor. The photo sensor is going to pick up rotations, and it plugs into the index port. That's index as in an index pulse. That will be our 0 during measurement. The index pulse often has a pigtail for strain relief on it, so you'll see that on this console right here. That simply plugs in, and we are just about ready to make measurements. Stay tuned.